something about it.
Boom!
On,
that hurts. Guys, you don't have to slap each other to make money. Let me show you the simple way. Pay attention to this. The trades I share in the private list this week was Voltino, Internet Computer, NOOT, Map Protocol, Kintsugi. Remember guys, before the pump in the price, there is the pre-pump in volume. That's what my soft is focused right now. Volume spike plus buyer power. Remember, we are talking about on the market, it had 10,000 coins. How you gonna find the coin to pump? That's what my soft do. We track the market. Pay attention to this. Internet Computer. Let's go down to the charts. On December 3, the volume of this coin was $29 million. Soon after, the volume pumped to $170 million. The volume pumped way before the price pump. Do you know what's going on here? Buyers are controlling the market. So when I share my trades in the private list, we jump on the buyer side. And the important is we trade together because we increase the buyer power. You see the volume spike right here, like 6 days before the pump. So I shared this trade in the private list on December 12. We bought this coin for $5.35 and put a seller up here at $11. We made 100% profit. I made $90,000 in this single trade right here. Let me give you another example here, guys. Voltino, exactly the same strategy, guys. Remember, Voltino. Let's go to the charts. Voltino go down. Pay attention to this. This is ridiculous, guys. December 4, the volume of this coin was $400,000. Pay attention to this wave of volume here. Volume pumped to 9.8 million. One more time, guys. This is a buyers versus sellers. The buyers right here. Buyers start to control the market. Pay attention to this. The volume pump between December 6 to December 10, and I shared this trade in the private list right here on December 12. Insane returns, guys. So on December 12, we bought this coin for 3,000 satoshis and put a sell order up here at 6,000 satoshis. I made 100%. I made $10,000. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list because together we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Give me a like this video, share, let's trade together because together we are strong, guys. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% per week as a return. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Takes your time. Have a blessed day, and remember, you don't have to slap each other to make money, man.
Previous
Just
fights,
follow
maybe
my
the
trades.
table came into
Takes
play
your time.
a little bit there.
Blessed day. Boom!